Lesson 15.12 is finding perimeter given coordinates. It says the points A at 6, 6, B at -1, 6, C at -7, -2, and D at 0, -2 form a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Plot the points and then find the perimeter of the parallelogram. Round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. So a parallelogram, we know that tells us the sides that are opposite will be congruent. So that kind of helps speed us up. And we should know that perimeter is just finding all the lengths of the sides and adding those sides together. It's like taking a string and stretching it around each side and then figuring out what's that total length. So we can find A, B, and C, D really quick because they're just a horizontal line. So this would be a distance of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. This would be the same, 7 units. So that gives me a perimeter of 14 so far. But then finding BC's length and AD's length is not as easy because it's a slanted line. So I can't count boxes. But what I can do is make this into like a right triangle here and then use Pythagorean theorem, which is just really the distance formula. So you could literally just take these coordinates and do distance formula with them, or do it this way. It doesn't matter because the distance formula is derived from Pythagorean theorem. So going from here at -2 to here at 6, that's the distance of 2 to get to 0 plus 6, that would be an 8. And then to go from an x value at -7 to -1 should be 6. Right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 would get me to B. And so here's my 90. So I'm going to do Pythagorean theorem where I have 6 squared plus 8 squared, and I'm really trying to find the hypotenuse. 6 squared I know is 36 plus 8 squared 64, and then that's nice that that's 100. Square root of 100 would mean that's a distance of 10, which means AD is also a distance of 10. So the perimeter would be 7 plus 7 plus 10 plus 10, or 20, 34 units. And so you can do this with parallelograms. You'll also see some triangles where some of the sides are easy to find the length of, and some of them you'll have to do distance formula on.